Hello and welcome to Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick in Georgetown. My name is Dan, and today we're taking a look at the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country. Let's check it out. Starting in the front, you'll see we have our gloss black and chrome trim specific to the High Country. We also have our classic Chevy bow tie and our surround view camera for the interior of your vehicle. Here we have got parking sensors in your front bumper. And we also have fog lights, so you can see where you're going regardless of the weather conditions. Let's take a look under the hood. Now, here is our power plant. It's a 6.2 liter V8 making 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, so you can get to where you need to go and bring your toys with you. Let's come along the side. I want to show you something. And this one's going to be in our Lakeshore Blue Metallic, which is one of my personal favorite colors. And it's adorned with our beautiful 22-inch wheel with a gun metallic insert and bright finish for the face of the wheel. Along the side, you'll see our High Country badging, which leads directly to our paint match mirror caps. You also have your inserted turn signal indicators and your cameras on your mirrors for that surround view vision. Now coming along the side, you'll see we have a chrome trimmed with paint matched insert on your keyless entry door handle for the driver. And moving towards the rear, this one also is equipped with step sides as well. Now, in the back of the vehicle, you'll see that we have your gas cap here. This vehicle is going to get about 17 miles a gallon average between city and highway. Let's take a look in the back. So, we have our beautiful rear end here, very large indicators for your turn signal and brake lights. Down on this side, you'll see we have two exhaust ports, as well as two on this side as well to give you a quad-tipped exhaust. And in between, you have this insert, which can be removed so that you can insert a tow hitch and trailer hookup. Let's take a look on the inside, show you the space we have. Now, of course, as a High Country, this one's going to come equipped with a power lift gate. And behind that gate, you're going to see a pretty good amount of space. Underneath, you'll see we have some room for your tools. This is currently housing our hardware for our jack. And for an impromptu trip to Home Depot, you're not left out in the cold. You can lay down the second and third row of this vehicle without even getting in the front. But speaking of the front, let's take a look in there. Stepping into the vehicle, you're greeted by our generous door card, where you can see we have a soft touch material from the top down, where we have a wooden insert and two seat memory settings for you and the second driver. Of course, we have power windows and automatic windows in the front with power folding mirrors as well. Now working our way down, we have Bose premium audio in this vehicle. And coming across to the dash, we have our drive mode selector, our light selector, our control panel, and your parking brake. But this is all encased by another beautiful wooden insert and a soft touch dash material that brings you all the way across to our passenger side. Now on the passenger side, you will see our beautiful High Country specific leather with headrest stitching and body stitching. It's heated and ventilated so that you can stay comfortable for the road ahead. Sitting in the front seat of the vehicle is an incredibly comfortable experience that starts with your steering wheel. So taking a look, it is leather wrapped and soft touch all the way around. On the left side, you have your cruise control menu, and just behind that, you have your turn signal indicator with your front and rear wiper settings. Now in the middle, you have your classic Chevrolet bow tie, and on the right, you have your media controls, as well as a heated steering wheel and the ability to change your driver information display. So on that display, you can have your normal view, a more detailed view. You can have the current destination based off of your maps. You can have your cruise control settings and something more simplified. Now that leads into our massive and beautiful touchscreen display for your infotainment. That's going to come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google built-in for 8 years, so you can get to where you need to go even if you've left your phone at home. And just above that, we're going to have our rear view camera. This gives you the ability to see behind you even if someone tall is sitting in the back seats. And coming back down, you'll see we have our wooden insert with chrome trim. Right above our emergency flashers, our 2 air vents, and physical climate control buttons. We also have a wireless charging pad, so there's really no need for cables up front, as well as your 2 cup holders and the beautiful stitching of the High Country leather in your center console. Now in that center console, you're going to have a very generous amount of space, but it also comes with a secret trick. By activating this button, you can actually move that center console towards the rear, and that affords you an extra hidden compartment underneath your center console. Even your backseat passengers aren't going to be left out for space. At 6'3", I've got plenty of head and leg room, but I can add more comfort with the purpose of this climate-controlled interface right at the rear of the center console, with heated seats for both rear seat passengers, a couple of outlets as well, and on top of that, a full wall outlet located just below. On top of all of that, getting into the third row is incredibly simple. With just 2 quick pulls of the lever in the back of the seat, and you can have this thing completely tilt and rock forward, making your entrance incredibly simple. Now, sitting in the back, you've got vents in the top, so it doesn't matter how many people you have, they're all going to stay cool, even if they're in a car seat. And you'll have outlets on either side of the vehicle, so everyone can stay charged. Without a doubt, the Chevrolet Tahoe is the quintessential family vehicle. Stop by Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick in Georgetown to learn more.